Hello everyone, it's the City from MemberFix. In this video, I'll show you an easier way to hide labels from GravityForms. In case you are not comfortable with editing your theme's files, I have a good news for you. There is a plugin that does that. It's called Hide GravityForm Labels. You can just type Hide Gravity, and it's the first that pops up. Install and activate it. But if you are comfortable with editing themes files, it's best to do that way because the more plugins you have, the slower your website will be. So it's best to keep as less as possible. Okay, so let's test this plugin. Let's create new form. Name it wherever you want. New form. And let's use address. Okay, let's see. Appearance. And there we go. Field label visibility. Hidden. Visible. Hidden. Okay, great. That's it. Please like and subscribe to our channel and feel free to visit our website MemberFix and also our blog post we wrote about this. Thanks for watching and bye bye.